This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can calibrate or recalibrate the drone's camera gimbal in this device. So in the beginning, you will need to launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. From here, launch settings, select the gimbal category and go for the gimbal automatic calibration. Then make sure to position your aircraft or the drone itself properly on the still surface, on even and still surface to be even more particular or more exact. And, well, do not touch the drone. And once you are ready, press the starting calibration button here. And now simply wait for the gimbal calibration to be performed. And as you can see, the calibrate went successfully, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.